Handsome country French and gated Beau Pre neighborhood in River Oaks. Custom-built West/10 ceilings, hardwood floors, beautiful windows and quality throughout. 22x19 primary bedroom down has 2 separate baths. Second bedroom down west/bath. 2 bedrooms west/separate. Baths up. Open floor plan west/living room, dining room and den/keeping room off spacious eat-in kitchen. 2 fireplaces, gas cooktop, wet bar, laundry room, double garage, generator, plantation shutters. 4,299 square feet per MAARDATA. Showings start Thursday 4/22. Can be sold furnished.